Hello guys, today we're going to talk about volume control. And no, this is not about your girlfriend. Let's start with the master volume. Master volume affects all output coming from Buslink. Because Buslink runs in parallel to Unity's sound system, you can use its master volume to balance out towards Unity's sounds. Let's see how we can do this. We have this beautiful slider here, and want to get it to control our master volume. Let's find the slider in our hierarchy. And add a master volume controller script to it. Connect them both. And that was pretty much it. Let's test. Works pretty nicely. The master volume is saved to the player prefs and thus survives scene loading and even leaving play mode. Next is mod volume slider. This is a script to fade in and out music. Let's add one to our mod playback. It's very useful for, let's say, if your player gets into a conversation situation and you want to dim the music a little bit while they talk. Let me create two triggers just to demonstrate what I mean. First trigger will fade the music out, and second trigger will fade it in again. We use our onEnter trigger bytehaq script again for our player capture. We call slide volume down from our mod volume slide script, and vice versa. Slide volume restore from the same script. Let's test. Getting into conversation and out. Mod volume slide can be used locally and globally, that is, for all output from Buslink. The last one is mod mood volume controller. It's for balancing out mod mood states and mod mood channels. Sometimes the music you use in your mod moods may not be balanced out perfectly, so this script might help. Let's see what it can do for us. We have a weight value for every channel and every state. Let's see how we can use this. The combat state uses two channels 2 and 4. That is, the channel combat and the channel tension. If we lower the combat channel, the tension channel gets more influence and is better heard. Same is true for the states. So you can balance out one state towards the others, for example. And that was it. Have a nice day, as always.